PAC strapping is one of the suppliers that had corrupted audio files, specifically with my microphone. So I'm going to do the introduction for the video. Hey, what's up, Grainger? Going to take you by the PAC strapping booth in 1855. Come on with me.
Hey, good morning, Mark.
Good morning, James.
Good to see you at the Grainger Show 2024. We're here in the PAC strapping booth. Mark Albero, why don't you take us through who PAC strapping is and what you guys do, the solutions that you can provide.
Fantastic. Good morning, Grainger team members, and welcome to the 2024 Grainger National Trade Show. PAC strapping, booth 1855 here in lovely Orlando. We are a full-service strapping product supplier. So we handle plastic strapping, both polypropylene and polyester, which are two key products in strapping technologies. We also deal with cord strapping, composite cord strapping, and steel strapping. We have a few different product technologies on display here. First, in some polypropylenes, I'd like to show you an arch strapping machine for use with machine grade strapping. As you can see, the strap automatically throws in any direction that you orient the package. Then on the back side here, we have a tabletop strapper for more manual end applications, but for bundling of product. So you take the strap, align it into the unit, tension gets pulled, and now the package is sealed and the strap is held. And of course, when we talk about strap, we focus a lot on plastic strap, specifically in polyester, and battery-powered tools to apply polyester strap loops. A great example for a battery-powered tool is right here with polyester, where we have a 5A 035 American Association of Railroads approved strap. This is a P329 from Fromm as a battery tool. We load the strap in the tool, tension, cut, seal, and now my strap loop is tight. These are pretty valued tools in industry for packaging, general packaging, end of line, packaging, distribution and warehousing, as well as going into manufacturing floors, lumber plants, brick and mortar plants, block plants, gypsum board plants. You have a wide array of applications where this polyester strap with a battery powered tool can be used. And of course, we highly recommend with your battery powered tool to protect the tool with a dispenser that has a special bracket design, tool balancer, and boom arm so that the tool is relatively weightless for the operator in an ergonomic design for both horizontal and vertical strapping. It prevents the tool from dropping, which can cause a lot of opportunity for breakage. And then most importantly, it prevents the tool from magically disappearing from your factory.
And I love how it also has the spool of strap down below. That way you can carry everything that you need for the task at hand.
And this dispenser is rather unique, James, because it has an actual latch down the bottom that allows the coil on the reel to turn down. So when you're taking the product of strap off the pallet, you're oriented in the proper direction so you can center it on the reel and bring it back 90 degrees up, latch it in place, and now you're not turning the dispenser on its back, which is what a lot of folks do.
So a lot easier for installation with that tilt feature.
Correct. And then this is also on casters, so you can move it around your plant relatively easily without much issue, and it will lock in place.
Now, if a customer is currently using steel strapping, can you convert them over to plastic strapping?
Absolutely. About 80% of the applications that are using steel today can be replaced with polyester strap. Polyester strap has similar performance in brake strength on many steel grades, but as you can see, it's easier to apply. It's safer to handle, so you don't have to wear gloves and safety glasses. It's ergonomically friendly. A typical coil of steel weighs 100 pounds. A typical coil of polyester weighs about 50 pounds. And it's twice as long as a typical coil of steel. So I'm moving a 50-pound coil half as much.
Wow.
And then most importantly, there's significant cost savings you can get out of converting to polyester. We look at the sizing for the right properties from brake strength, which is the performance you're trying to get in terms of load security, but you'll see at least a 30% savings and upwards of a 50% savings for your customer by switching them off of steel and over to polyester.
Excellent. And it's sustainable because it's recyclable too.
That's correct. It's recyclable and it's made from recycled content. So you have post-industrial recycled content in the strap, as well as the ability to recycle it through standard means with proper handling, or more industrial means if necessary with strap choppers.
Excellent. Well, thank you for coming by the PAC strapping booth. Thank you, Mark, again, as always. And also, Mark has been on our podcast before. We'll include a link down below. That way you can check out that interview that we did with him. Thanks again, Mark.
Thank you, James. Take care.